So hello everyone, welcome back to my live. So today is day 56, and I'm on a journey of 366 day live challenge, where I come live each day and learn with you guys and share what I'm doing. And it is basically a challenge for me to see from January to December how much far I can improve on my technical and as well as my self development skills. So without before starting this live, let's sum up what happened today, like summary of my day. So today it was kind of a productive day, but also I kind of lack on some of the areas. But I learned, and there was one issue, and still I need to like fix that issue. So my mind is all my mind is just going that just roaming around that issue. Okay, and I created one expo app, like a React Native app. Like I'm also learning React Native, like I'm giving 1 hour each day for my React Native. And there was some issue related to React Native because I was not able to create the React Native app and launch on my phone. So there was some kind of issue, but I fixed that, and you can see my app is now working. So, and on this live today, like what I'm going to do is, like I'm learning. So what I have made is, so let me show you guys. Okay, and I don't know my laptop how much it is going to uh so basically I'm making this app Artisa. Okay, I'm still not confused about there will be a 2s. But what? mm, So the name I'm still confused, but it is kind of name is Artisa, like it is a art app. Okay, so I created this simple system requirements, specification. So what I am building, so the system I am proposing. Okay, the purpose of this custom art marketplace website is to create a dynamic platform that connects artists, art enthusiasts, and buyers in a vibrant community focused on creating, learning, and commerce. The website aims to provide a versatile environment where artists can showcase their artwork, offer art classes, sell art-related products, and fulfill custom design requests. Additionally, it seeks to facilitate seamless interaction between artists and buyers, promote artistic expression and education, and foster a supporting and engaging online community. So I'm making this app and a website. Okay, so functional requirement. So user registration and profile management, allow user to register as artist, buyer, or both. But there is a problem. Okay, so if one artist wants to buy art of the another person, then like how will I make it working? So there is some thing I need to see. Okay, and enable user to create and manage their profile with personal information, portfolio, and preference. So okay, a person comes to my site, then let me copy this all in the Notion. I guess Notion will be better. Okay, I don't know why, but I'm feeling Notion should be the way. I think okay. Coffee. I have just finished my coffee. Uh, I'm making like UI diagram for my app and my website. So what I'm building is this one. Okay, so today, like before coming to live, I was working on this part. Like before, like starting any website or any app or any project, you need to have like a system requirement, like a specification. Why are you making this app? Like what are its functionality, like how you going to make it, like what tech stack, what technical requirement is there, and what are the component like structure, and like the what is the use case, so how it will be really used in the like real life scenario. Yeah, so this and the milestone. So on the basis of this milestone I will be making this on the lab live. Okay, so basically if today I'm going to complete like milestone one, so today I need to make like user registration and profile creation. So under that I have three tasks. So like this way, like I have break it down to like five phase, but still there will be more phase because as I'm doing it solo, so there will be a multiple challenges on the drum of the backend or the UI. So I need to really focus on that part. But like before like doing anything, if you have like a rough figure also, like it can really help you on the project. Yeah, so that's why I was creating this. So I have also like brainstorming for like how I can really market this app and I can make money. Okay, so that part I have also done. So there is like a functional component, yeah, like the front end component what I need to make, and also the back end component. So basically, today I'm going to try to like make some rough sketches on my copy, so I can have a like mental picture of what I'm really building, so that can I will be more sure about it. So on the basis of that, I'm going to make it this app. So my pen is not working. Okay, I have pen here. I think, yeah, now my pen is working. So basically, so Kritika, like if you are here, like, okay, so I'm making this Artisa app, okay. So like let me pitch you my idea, okay. So there are like many people who love to do art from their childhood, but after some age, like certain age, like they can't make money from that art, their passion, their hobby, and they switch to the other field. But there is that artist still inside them, yeah. And what I'm trying to do is create a like a app and a website where people who is a artist or a people who loves art, yeah, can come to my site or app, and they can, like, if you are artist, then you can sell your product, and you can say, okay, so I make like glass painting, or I can make like a sketch, and the based on your portfolio, like people can buy art from you, or also uh, request for a custom art. So that way I am tapping the market of the two field. One is the international field, where like our Nepali mandala thanki are like being sold, yeah. I can target that market also, but I will try to target that market after some like phase, like after some like stability on my app and my website. But my first like target audience is like a student. Like if you are a student, you love to make art, like you are an artist, yeah. So just by selling your art and by like custom designing art for a part-time basis also, if you can make like some money, then that can really help up like a student, yeah. So that is my plan. And also on this platform, what I'm trying to do is, like, okay, so there I think there is one art of Nepal and one is art for Nepal site, day for present on his yes bro, brother, yeah. So um yeah, so people can sell and buy art. And also what I'm trying to add a new feature, like what a new thing is, if you are an artist and you love to teach art to a young people, like a kid, like a student, yeah, so you can also create your custom class here, and you can create you can be a teacher, and you can really sell how to draw, like how to paint, yeah, that kind of class also. And another point of how this app will make money is by selling the like tools that are needed in making art, like the paintbrush, like the canvas, like the other things, yeah. I love guitar, yes bro. I love to bro. But nowadays I have been not playing it like I used to do in my high school. So that like that is the basically my structure, okay. So Rahul, Ryan, so today uh like you know, yeah, like before starting any project, you need to make a system requirement case story, yeah. Like what are you making, what really problem are you solving, and the functional side and the non-functional side. So today at I had 1 hour, so on that time, like I created this all thing for my new project. So this is Artisa, okay. So the purpose of the custom art marketplace website is to create a dynamic platform that connects artists, art enthusiasts, and buyer in a vibrant community focused on creating learn like on creativity, learning, and commerce. So this is the system purpose. Like there is the functional requirement, non-functional requirement, like some related factors, like technical requirements. So my front end is going to be on React Next, backend is going to be on the Node and Express, and database management will be on the MongoDB, and for the auth like JWT mainly. So like in Nepal we use Khalti and E Seva, so I have added it. And for the messaging system, like I will be working on the like socket.io, so WebSocket and socket.io. And for the image because this side is like main point is like the portfolio, yeah, yeah, like the artist can list their portfolio, their project. So I need to really optimize the image and the development kind of thing. So there is this component like structure, front end component, what I really need to do, like the content management system, like the admin panel, email and notification system, and use case. So how a person can use my really this app, like what are its use case, yeah, and the milestone. And on the basis of this milestone I will be doing this live. Okay, so first of all, I will try to complete a milestone one, and under that I have three tasks. So on this basis I'm going to complete this project. Like uh if I don't have kind of structure, then I will be just lost on my life, like doing whatever things, yeah. So I need to be like a structured way. So there is this phase one, phase two, like up to phase five, and there is some kind of brainstorming idea for like how can I really market it and sell it to people. So this is the structure. Let me. Why are you in darkness? Cause I love darkness. Because sounds interesting. Yes, bro. So this is my propose, like how I'm going to be and what I'm going to make on my live. So today I created this. So let me start with my phase one, like milestone. So today I need to make like user registration and profile creation. Yeah, like design user registration form with field for username, passport, email, and artist buyer designation. So what I will be doing is before this live, like I think on my live day 40 or like kind of 40 to 50 days range, yeah, like I was working on the authentication system, like on the Node.js. Like I was making a kind of authentication project which I can use on my upcoming project, yeah. So I'm going to use that my code for this one, and I need to change a little bit of theme like the form data, but I'm going to work with that. Date represents or yes ma'am. And how was your day, ma'am? So let me open, and I think just a second, okay. uh, Let me bring my hard disk, okay. So just a second, my I think my I forgot to. Yeah, I got it. Shout out, sir. You shout out to my friend Kritika. uh, you shout out, but I'm not worthy of giving shout out. Okay. my so let me charge it after some time. Okay, which distro are you using? I'm using Ubuntu, brother. I'm using Ubuntu. I think I have connected to my hard disk. Okay, so on which file I have my code. I think on this new Biraj. No, I'm so bad at naming the things. So I was learning Django also, like before some month. But what I found out was like, if I'm creating a like small project or kind of a solo project, then the just like for to make APIs, yeah, so like the Node and Express is the best way to go. Like if you are going with the Python Django, yeah, like it is very useful for like a enterprise level, and if you are working with a team. But if you are doing solo and if you are also a front end developer like me, who is like really good at like JavaScript, like who just loves JavaScript and TypeScript, then Node and Express is the way to go. I'm so confused where I have put my file. Okay, I think on this haha file. This is the another project which I was working on. Where is my? I think this one. No, this is the another project, bro. I think this one. Yeah, old. Not this one. Let me stop sharing. Okay, so I think there can be my personal files also that I really don't want to show on my live. I'm so confused. Where it can go? It should must be on this file. New? No. Pen drive? No. Guys, just give me some second, okay? Yeah, like I found my file. Yes, I found it. Let me open on my BS code. Let me share my screen to with you guys. Every progress. Okay, अब तो मेरो मेरे को भी चाहिए shout out. So you shout out to Raul, bro. My is my screen sharing or not? Let me screen share. Why do you keep? Why do you think you are not worthy of providing shout out to people? Because I still need to do a lot of things, and where I'm seeing myself on the future, I'm not there. And haha files. Every programmer like struggles in naming, including me. Yes, bro, 100%. Like I'm so bad at naming things. Like sometimes I do like dot dot dot, like haha. My photos, yeah, there are your photos. So, arigato, bro. So, bro, do you watch anime? Like you are giving me Japanese vibe, like Japanese words, like. So I think my 2BS code is running. Okay. So I was learning React Native also. Like if you guys know like React Native, yeah, yeah, like for to make apps. So I was learning React Native. Like what I'm doing is I'm giving 1 hour each day, like to learn React Native, and like I'm not trying to be master at React Native, but if I give 1 hour for like React Native for like 4 5 months, then I can really make like kind of a great app. Like, I'm not on a rush, but I will take some year, 1 2 year at the max. But on that time frame, I really want to improve so much. So that's my main goal. So I have created already this server. Okay. So if you go and if I run this server, okay. So let me go on the packet.json. So main node mon, okay. npm start. And if you go on the postman, if you create one new API, okay. Let me go on my raw controls. JWT, yeah, I have this model which I have like name, email, passport, deleted, and timestamp. Okay, so this I made with the Node and Express. So these are my routes. So if I go here and okay, let me see what were the routes. I completely forgot those. Hmm. I think my MongoDB server is on the Atlas. Yeah, I need to set up that also. So connected to DB. So okay, my DB is connected. So if I go on to the login, yeah. Mm, I think I have already created one Postman file. Okay, this is the e-commerce. This is the testing. This is for the real estate. This is the house area. I think I have not added that here. Let me just slash login, and if I go on this login, yeah, what I'm taking is email, passport. Okay, I think my port on 4000 slash p. I think where is my enb? Okay, okay, I can. um, I tried React Native, but laptop starts hitting, so I'm learning React now. Do I need to switch Linux? Yes, to 100%. I highly recommend you to switch to Linux. Like, okay, if you are like really trying to be a hacker kind of guy, then obviously Linux. But also, if you are just a normal developer who loves to build like software products, then Linux is way to go, man, because you are not doing like all the command prompt, yeah. But when you learn each like small things daily on the basis for 1 year, then after 1 year you are like kind of good at the Linux. Like, you don't need to like do a separate course like the 10 to 12 hour of learning a Linux kind of thing. After just practicing and just being familiarized with the Linux environment is the best way to learn the Linux from my experience. And I'm using Linux from past 1.5 year. I think I tried React Native, but laptop starts hitting, so I'm learning React. Bro, let me tell you one secret kind of thing. Okay, if you like, do you know React Native Expo? If you know like React Native Expo, then after just creating like a React Native project, and like installing one app like Expo Go, then you can just only like scan the like link of the React Native, and the actually your code will be work on the app. So I think so your laptop will not hit that much also, because I'm doing the same here. Like just before this live, I was doing with the Expo Go, and there I had one issue related to the network, and I was fixing that. Yes, Expo Go. Yeah, yes, bro. And I'm really committed to learn like React Native Expo. So like on my office there is one like my friend, and what we have said is we will give each day 1 hour to learn React Native. So she's also learning React Native, and I'm also learning React Native. So there is kind of a competition. Yeah. So like that's really helps in learning anything. Bye, Biraz. Have a great time. Thank you, Kritika, for joining this live, and hope you have a good night and take care. So let me. I think I have not added the B1. Okay, so just let me go and try login, and let me go on a form data, and let me give. I think, where is my model? Name, email, passport. So just let me give a random. Okay, here for now. Sent. What I'm getting? What I'm getting this cannot get login. Okay, bro, I'm just confused at my own code. Okay, I need to give this. Still, what is happening? Oh, sorry, bro. I'm so sorry. I was going with the post. Email is required. I think I have provided the email. Yeah, message email is required. I have already provided the email. Hmm. Why it is saying email is required? I have the email. Let me. Oh, okay, okay. So I think I need to do not a login. Obviously, bro, I need to register first of all. I think okay, because that was working on my previous data. Like now, I have just like clean up my database. So I'm working with the new. Okay, so register and let me go. What it says. Email is required, and I'm giving the email. Why it is saying that way? Hmm, why there is this issue? Hmm, so I have given the name also. @gmail.com. Passport, yeah. Still it is giving me same error. Hmm, what can be the issue here? I'm so confused. Healthy competition. How can you making this postman in VS Code? So there is this extension, bro. Like postman. This one. Like I have my postman separately, but if I use that postman, then my mods like my mini RAM will be used. Yeah, and bro, like what I have found is there is one this site also. Okay, hopscotch.io. Like if you are using postman in a group like a teammate uh, of like 4 5 people, then you can use this hopscotch. So let me share you on the live. Also on here you can create a many people group, and you can work on a same postman like a same API collection that can really help you. Because if you go on the postman and if you are working on a team with the many people, more than three, then you need to pay money. So my teammates from my office uh had this idea. Bro, what is happening? Let me check. Like I created this code like sometime before, while thoughting that like I will use this same code on my upcoming projects, yeah, on the all. But now it is not working that way. mm, Let me see my MongoDB. Let me stop here, okay, for some time, because I think I need to add my secret API of that MongoDB on my MongoDB. So it is. mm Let me go on my environment variable. Mm, Let me add. So yeah, my database is working just fine. So if you guys want to see, so my database is like this on my MongoDB. You can see this is my, and it is working just fine. Mm, so where is my artist? So today, okay, I think I will write my backend one more time. Like I will customize it on the basis of okay, I need to add designation. Let me write on my diary. that will be one artist and one will be the buyer. Okay, on that basis, and there should be the profile image upload kind of thing, entering bio information also, and the user development part. Okay, I will be creating it. Rewriting would be great. Yes, bro. Like I will be doing that, and I'm also making the UI on here. So, okay, what the field I'm going to have? Okay, so first of all, let me just make a random like a scratch. So so for that I add only like a name, email, and passport field. Yeah, but on this I need name, email, obviously, passport, and also a unique username that will be like different from all of the people. So username, yeah. So username, and what I need is like buyer and artist. So on the basis of that, my database will have like different table. So for the buyers, like I like, so their functionality will be a different, yeah, obviously. So if they sign in also, so their UI will be different from like a buyer, like, so different UI for a buyer and a different UI for a artist. So on that basis I need to make a data, like I need to make UI also. And what I learned is, bro, like first of all I thought like I just need to code, and I learned no, I need to make Figma. Then I learned Figma. Then then I found out was no, first of all you have to know what you are making. Then you have to know the functional components. So what are the functionalities are there in your application. So on that basis you need to make a like a simple UI kind of frame on the copy, so that can really help you. And after that you need to make a simple Figma design. Why? Because from that you will have a like kind of clear view. So on your theme color, like how you are like making all those what is the workflow of a buyer or any person that comes to your site. Yeah, so for that you need to know Figma also. So first of all, the main thing is the functional thing, like what are the datas going to your backend, what are you are like getting data from the backend. So the functional part is the main thing. Okay, so if I share my screen also, so my functional part for this app is this. So my functional part is user registration and profile management. So on the basis of this functional, I need to make like UI and connect with the workflow, and also add my theme color, my like kind of style, like how I'm making like kind of modern look or aesthetic look or whatever the things can go. Yeah, but I'm also not a, like a pro kind of UI UX designer, but I have experience in making like Figma prototyping the simple apps, making your like posters designs. So and then I need to make artist listing and galleries. If I'm buyer and if I go there, then people should be able to see the all the artists of my location or a particular type of art. Yeah, and their galleries, their past work, their what they are selling. Yeah, so display artwork in categorized galleries with source and filter option for buyers. So I know that I need to make this functionality. Yeah. So if I'm like doing solo, then I need to make this functionality first. Then I need to add the UI. Like I can't be like, okay, I need to make UI, I need to make the margin top, all those things perfect, because I'm a developer. So my main priority of this working app is the functionality, if it works or not. Yeah. So why I'm saying this on my live is also because I know this stuff, but while I say, I realize more, and on my background, like all those thought process are like connecting, and I'm learning more, okay, from my own process of learning. So I'm saying this on kind of this way. So art class creation and registration. So if you like one artist, like if he makes kind of you can say glass painting, yeah. So if that artist can like teach you live, or if that artist can take some money like for like 100, 200 for one time, or like a monthly basis, and can teach you on like chat or by like live, or like actually coming to your house also, yeah. He can also come to your house, yeah, if he is like nearby you, yeah. I need to think that part also, okay. But mainly you can register on his class creation, and like you can schedule pricing, all those things, and the payment should be also should be secure. So I need to make this functional, then I should think of the UI, okay. But UI will be like a rough sketch on my copy, and on that basis I'm going to make. But after connecting some kind of milestone one or phase one, I need to create all those UI, like actually code it, so I can go to the phase 2. So yeah, that way it will help me. So that is the way, okay. So what I'm thinking, so another portion is what I need to do is product listing and custom design the request. If if I like your art of the glass painting, and if I'm saying, okay, create me one anime painting on the glass, so I'm giving a custom request, yeah. So that custom request can go through some form also, like I need this kind of thing, or you can directly chat with the person. But what I think the optimal way, like what is the best way, is through a form. Because if if a person is kind of just ticking something and saying I need this, so if that is the form, then on the back end I can know its data also, like not the full data, but I can basically know. So there is some communication, and this type of art is being more trending kind of way, yeah. Because if that is the message, yeah, obviously I can see the message from the backend side, obviously every company can see. But they have their own protocol of securing the person data, yeah. So on the messaging part I can really not go and see the data. So that's why I think the form should be the best option here. And okay, and it enables buyer to submit custom design request for personalized artwork commissions, yeah. Secure payment, absolutely I need to do that. And still I have not fully created the backend, like all those things for the payment, because on my office this is mostly handled by the senior developer or the backend developer, yeah. So I need to see that part also. So review and rating system, obviously bro, because all artists, if I say like I know art but I don't know art, like I'm just faking it, and I'm selling cheap art, like I'm taking the request, I'm making it, and I'm not giving a like satisfied to the buyers. So I need a review after each commission, like after each purchase or after each class. A buyer can review and give the rating, and on that basis the artist will be ranked up, ranked top, like a weekly ranked up, like kind of things that can really make the artists also to do more, because they are getting popularized, like they are getting popular on the side, yeah, so they can get more or order kind of things. So that is kind of a psychology kind of thing, yeah, if I from my perspective. So shipping and fulfillment management, and this is the most crucial part, okay. If I order a design from an artist that is living in kind of 50 kilometer or like 100 kilometer apart from a artist from the village also can sign in, yeah, from a village also a person can sign in and can sell their art, because this is not only for a small, like for the city, yeah, firstly it is for a city, but there can be a multiple like cases like this, yeah. If a person, like if a person is saying I'm an artist from a like village, like if he's making art from a mountain area, and from a city one person is saying okay I need one art or custom art from you, then I think on the terms of the distance of the artist and the buyer, I can add like more money, like the more like transportation and shipping cost. But as term of the buyer, if I'm buyer, then why I should pay more if the artist is on the another side of the world? That's not my problem, yeah. Like I want a fair price, I want the actual price of that frame, yeah. So there can be some challenging, but yeah, like I really need to think for this part. And obviously the art is not being sold mm, on a paper, like there will be a frame. So what I need to do is I need to tie up with some companies of the frame, yeah. So on the each request I can add that frame and I can charge money of that frame also. So I'm getting money out of that also, yeah. And another point is what I'm doing to make money, like actual kind of money making point is, I'm not saying like if an artist makes some commission and gets some money, then you have to give me 50-60%. I'm not saying, I'm just taking 10 or 5 or 4% from the artist, because that way a artist will be more happy to create his art, okay. So I'm saying more like, but okay, at least 10%, okay. Like from where I'm making money is from the, if artist also and a buyer also, if they love art, if they love painting, like all those art things, yeah, then they want to try, so they need to buy like painting brush, painting canvas, all those things, yeah. So those things we will provide on our site. So by that way, if a person is already signing to our site, then they can get like 5% discount at the first stage, so the more people can join in, yeah. So that's my thing. But on the term of the money and on term of the how I should market it, I still need to think a lot about it, because I'm trying to make it as like a kind of startup which gives me money at the end of this project. And I can't say just say okay this will work, but I need to be like a clear how I'm getting money, yeah. So on that part I need to still think more about it. So another functional part is, yeah, the shipping and the fulfillment, the real time shipping calculation and label generation, and the SEO. So if you guys are new to my channel, so okay, I have done like 1 year of professional role in a company as a SEO expert. Like before, like starting my front end development journey, I was a SEO expert in a company. So I have experience in the SEO. So I'm going to utilize my that skill here and do the SEO, like the overall marketing. So another is this, obviously the legal and the other things, like how I'm going to like protect the data of the user, like all those shipping policies. So this is my functional requirement. So my non-functional requirement are like UI, UX. User friendly apps should be high performance and scalable, like security data, like privacy measures, cross platform. So it should be work on the first of all I'm making for the website, but after that I'm going to shift to the React Native on the phone also, but after some time. Okay, so this should be accessibility, fast loading time, like these are not really important. Yeah, like yeah, obviously the UI UX and the user friendly is important, but I can hire some person on a some like little money and I can make them the UI UX design and the other code. This is not really important. Like the main important is this functional requirement where my most of the brain power is going, like the backend logic, like how I'm like scaling it. So that is my point I want to make. So yeah, React and Next.js I will be using. That school project sounds amazing. Yes, but yeah. So on the international level, yeah, there is like one. It's see like there is okay. My screen is sharing. Yeah. So there is one this. It's a company. Okay, this also creates software and like painting kind of thing, but it is a like kind of big company, not just for the art. But if I go and search art here, yeah, you can see there is like many portrait things. I'm not competing with, yeah, obviously I'm competing with these guys also after some time, but first of all I want to capture this local market of my Nepal, and I'm targeting India and other countries also. So that's my plan for this app. So I will be so uh, I think I really need to give some time on this and see, and I will change and I will create one new database for this only specific, and on the tomorrow live I will like fully set up this all things. I'm learning Mon, where React is almost completed. What else should I learn? So you are learning Mon, yeah, okay. So you have learned React, then obviously I will suggest you to learn like Express and create like okay, okay. So bro, okay, let me say you, okay. Are you on my live? Yeah. Go and learn Redux and also enough Redux, and then see what is RTK query and React query, and choose one, like go with the React query or RTK query. That's up to you. But if, because in a real project, in a company, if you are targeting to do job, like at the first stage obviously you are going to do kind of job, because that way you will learn most of the things. Yeah. So Redux is the must, bro. Like Redux toolkit, not the Redux but Redux toolkit. Okay. So learn why we use Redux, why we use RTK query, all those things, because and the like React query also, because that can really help you, bro. Really help you. I highly suggest, if you have just completed React and have you not tried Redux, RTK query, React query, and there is this Just Stand also. If you don't want to do Redux, then you can learn Just Stand. Also, like Just Stand is for like a not so almost complex, but if you learn Redux, yeah bro, you can learn any stage like state management. So that's my take for you. So bro, yeah, I think 1 hour is going to be here, so I will be live tomorrow. So after this live I'm going to learn like cloud computing also. There is my, if you see my schedule, okay, on my Google Cloud, I need to do a lot of things, and after like on the 2 a.m. I will sleep, or the 3 a.m. So that's my take. So I need to learn many things. And okay, I'm trying to learn all, like I'm trying to learn on my life also. But what I have felt is I'm learning on my life, like a small portion only, not just like a big portion. So I prefer to learn at my own way, on my own time. When you stream tomorrow, so at the same time, brother, like I think today I started my live at the 10:15, like 10:30 to like 10:15, and I think you are from India, yeah. So our time difference is about 15 minutes. So you can come like on the 10 p.m., 10:15 p.m., bro. What time you wake up? So I wake up at the 6 a.m. because I need to go office at the 7 a.m. on the morning. So I usually get 4 hour or 3 hour of sleep. So that is my life. Like I just went to the gym today also, so my body is full in pain. So I need to sleep for 3 4 hours and I need to go office tomorrow. So yeah, see you tomorrow on my live, and I'm on a 366 day live journey. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, then I highly suggest you to subscribe my channel so you can be a part of this journey. So hope you see tomorrow on the 10:30 10:15 p.m. at the night. That is not good for health, obviously, bro. That is not good for health. But like I'm not making this my whole lifestyle, because after I have one dream, yeah, like I have one aim, one mission, and that I want to achieve within like 5 year. And after that 5 year, what I so there is my plan also, yeah. And bro, whether you say okay, health is important, yeah, health is really important, like that as the first thing. But if you really want to do like achieve big, or like kind of your goals are big, yeah, then you need to do sacrifice. That's the most thing, bro. So what is your aim? So my aim is to create one quantum computing company. So I'm doing a double bachelor. One is on BSc physics and one is on BCA. So I'm learning physics science. So I want to create one quantum computing company. So for that I need like lot of knowledge, lot of my self growth, like lot of things like money also. And for that my first of all, the way I'm making money is doing coding, making startups, and learning from my startups to make my big that company, yeah. So I need the experience also. Cool, catch you tomorrow. Nice to meet you, and it was amazing to see you struggle and how you solve problem. Really motivates me. Thanks, bro. Yeah, see you tomorrow, and we need to bug, like we need to fix more bug tomorrow. Yeah. So that is my aim. So basically, I wanna be a great person. Yeah. So to make a quantum computing company. So that is much for today. So if you have subscribed to my channel, yeah. So then yeah, take care. Good night. See you tomorrow on my live. Thank you for everyone coming for this live. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.